Boys and girls, and welcome to Go On Guitar. We have a quick one here with Brandon Lake. It's featuring Benjamin William Hastings and Leeland. This song is called More. So a nice song, they're uplifting. So let's take a look at this one. We have a capo set here on the first fret, and with that we have 4 chords we need to know about. So let's go over the chords. Quick run through here. We have D first, open D, second G, third B, and second E. Next is A, so that will be open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have G, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And finally the bar chord here, B minor, so that's a bar placed on the second fret. You don't have to bar the last E string here in the bass, so 5 strings from bottom up, and then the rest needs to be added on 4th D, 4th G, and 3rd B. Alright, so we have this one chord progression that goes in the same way here from the beginning till the very end. We're going to look at that soon, but first let's take a look at the strumming pattern. We can illustrate that with the G chord. Okay, so one string around will be either down, down, clap, down, if you want to emphasize the beat there going on, the rhythm. But you can also play 4 downs. So we'll start with the first one, the down, down, clap, down. Sounds like this. Okay, so it is what it is. Down, down, clap, down. Alright, or you can play 4 downs, and if you choose to do that, you want to emphasize the down where the clap happens. Okay, so that's the 3rd down, so down, 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 down. That 3rd down you want to emphasize, and you do that in a way that you're gonna play a little bit down here on the top mid strings when you play that down. So all other downs you play on the bass, so bass strings on the 1st, 2nd, and 4th down. The 3rd down, you go down here. Alright, so it's 2 ways of playing this one. I would prefer to do the clap version of it to really get the rhythm going on there. It's up to you. Now, let's take a look at the chord progression. So, you're going to play D, 2 string rounds, A, 2 string rounds, and G, 4 string rounds. That's the first half of it. The second half is almost the same. The only difference is the first chord here. It starts with B minor now instead of D. So B minor 2, A2, and G2. So D, A, G, B minor, A, G. All right, let's do this. Minor 2, A2, and G4, 3, 4. And that is how to handle Brandon Lake's More. So thank you for watching here. More is coming up here on this channel, so stay tuned, and even more important, play tuned.